In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use spacer blocks to design a neat grid layout with columns, ensuring your web pages look organized and professional. We'll take a step-by-step journey through this process, focusing on clarity and efficiency to ensure that you can manage your layout with ease. Let's start by adding spacer blocks. Spacer blocks are essential as they act like placeholders and allow you to visualize the spaces where your content will eventually go. So to begin, click on an insert point in your editing platform. You will typically find this option at the top of your screen or wherever your text editing tools are housed. From the selection of available blocks, choose the spacer block. The spacer block helps in establishing the grid structure, giving you the flexibility to customize the layout according to your design preference. Once you've added the first spacer block, move on to adding a second one. You'll want to place this next to the first in order to establish the outline for your columns. This creates the basic grid structure where you'll eventually place your text blocks. The key here is to ensure that these spacer blocks are aligned properly side by side. This alignment forms the skeleton for your column layout, allowing you to maintain consistency in your design as we add more elements. Next, we'll dive into adding your text blocks. Now that you have your spacers in place, it's time to proceed by adding text blocks. Navigate beneath each spacer block and insert a text block. You might wonder why we're adding text blocks now with spacers already in place. Well, the spacer blocks are there to help you organize and align your content symmetrically. And having text blocks allows you to fill these spaces with the needed content in an ordered manner. This step is crucial as it moves the skeletal structure we've created into something functional and dynamic. With the text blocks securely nestled beneath each spacer block, you may now remove the spacer blocks. That's right. Once your layout structure is in place and your text blocks are positioned exactly where you need them, you can simply delete the spacer blocks. The crucial aspect here is that the arrangement of your text blocks will remain unaffected. They'll stay neatly in their columnar arrangement because their positioning was determined by the spacers. This allows for an elegant, organized display without the need for additional guiding elements. Finally, maintaining alignment is key as we wrap up our column creation. To achieve the best visual results, aim to use content blocks of the same number and size in each column. This symmetry ensures that your page looks balanced and professional, preventing any awkward visual mismatches that might distract your viewers from the content itself. By following these steps, you've successfully created a columnar grid using spacer and text blocks. This technique not only enhances the appearance of your layout, but also contributes to an intuitive and enjoyable user experience.